welcome on back to my YouTube channel. It is IKM, your makeup artist. So yesterday on the 27th of November 2021, I hosted my very first live makeup tutorial session here at home in Kgotsofalomaboke. So I made this video just to say thank you to everyone that came and supported me. I really appreciate the love and support. So I have put together pictures of what it looked like yesterday so that you guys can see how the event went. To everyone that came to my tutorials, I just want to say that I hope that they take whatever information that I passed on to them and practice every day so that they improve their skill. So as you guys know that I am a self-taught makeup artist, I started doing makeup in 2017 and through a lot of practice, I am where I am today. I just hope that they implement all the tips and tricks that I gave to them, and through a lot of practice, you guys are gonna get to where you wanna be. So guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one. But before leaving, please like, share, comment down below, subscribe. So yeah guys, enjoy the rest of the video. See you in the next one.